In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can block calls but not messages in your iPhone. So the first thing you'll want to do is go to your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down till you find focus. Tap on focus, and now you'll need to tap on add on the top right. Now here you'll need to add a custom focus. So tap on custom focus, and now you'll need to name it. So just name it whatever you want. So let us name it messages, and after doing that you can just tap on next. Now you can tap on customize focus, and here what you'll need to do is you'll need to tap on people. After you tap on people, what you'll need to do is select the group of people, or from contacts just select people, and after you tap on those people you will stop getting notifications from those people. So now you can even choose your apps right here. Now you can just choose your apps, so make sure you choose your calls and phones, and after you do that, let me just do that here. So just search for phones and it's there already, and if it's on messages, make sure that you don't select messages, and after you've done that you're basically good to go. You need to tap on silence notification from, and yeah, that is basically it, guys. That is how you block calls but not messages in iPhone. Now what you'll need to do is just add this focus. Now there you can see messages focus. Now what you'll need to do is pull down your control panel, tap on this D&D focus. Now just select the messages right here, and after you've done that, now you won't be getting any notifications from the selected apps, especially the calls and phones, and you'll be getting messages since you have not selected those. So that is basically it, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.